Hi guys, welcome to This Is Too Cool. I'm going to give you a room tour of my room, and I hope you like this video, and just make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay? So I'm gonna this is my clock. Then this is my truck. Oh, and here's all my books. All these are my books. All these are my books. Then here's our the stuff. Here. And that's my dog. She died. She died because a dog attacked her, and it was on a Wednesday, I think. And then here's my other stuff. That's my toys. That's my more toys. And here's all my dinosaurs. This is my costume stuff. This you see here is a mask. Look, I'll show you. Look, this right here. No, right here. That's the mask. Look, I'll show you. Don't tell anyone. Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. And there's a little change. There's a little changes. There's my room, my bed. That's my bed. There's Spider-Man, and then if you can see what I'm just gonna see this. That's my house. Then this is my brand new one. Well, it's kind of brand new. Just push that this way. And then here's my other toys, my Avengers toys. And then here's my thing of animals. And then here's a Lego monster truck. Yeah, these are my things. Like stuffed animals. And then here's my closet. It is kind of dirty though. Those are my clothes. This is how tall I am. This tall. I was that tall. And then like here's like this. This one is kind of dirty. That's my picture right there. Right there. That's my pictures right there. Then I'm gonna make, look, that's my other picture right there. And here's my other pictures right there, there, and then there. Then here's my other picture right there. And oh yeah, and then there's my other picture right, and then I have public schedule right there. And well, I guess that's my room tour. Like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll just see you in the next video. Bye.